Should drug dealers tied to deadly overdoses be charged with murder? That question is being debated on Beacon Hill. For months, 25 Investigates has been looking at the surge of the dangerous synthetic opiate fentanyl in our area. Anchor and investigative reporter Carrie Kavanaugh talked to a state lawmaker who says his bill will enable investigators to go after dealers while still supporting people with substance abuse disorders.
It started with prescription pain medication, then regressed to heroin, and now it's regressed to fentanyl, 50 times stronger than heroin, and it's killing people left and right in our communities. And I think something has to be done.
State Senator Patrick O'Connor says his legislation is going after those selling fentanyl in communities across the Commonwealth. The act relative to drug-induced homicide says anyone who knowingly or intentionally manufactures, distributes, dispenses, or delivers any amount of a Class A substance which results in death could serve up to life in prison.
If a murder is directly linked to an individual that is not themselves suffering from addiction, but an individual who's determined by our district attorneys to be a mid to large level fentanyl dealer, that there should be some tool that those district attorneys have to prosecute those individuals.
For months, 25 Investigates has been showing you how law enforcement has been targeting fentanyl on the streets. We told you about the dangerous synthetic opiate that's being mixed into fake prescription pills and other drugs, and the surging sale of them on social media chats. The powerful drug is claiming lives every day. According to the Massachusetts Department of Public Health, in the first 6 months of 2022, there were 1,043 opioid-related overdose deaths, where a toxicology screen was also available. Fentanyl was present in 94% of them. Compare that with prescription opioids in 11% and heroin in 7%. O'Connor, a South Shore Republican, says this bill won't seek to punish anyone with their own substance abuse disorder.
We're not looking to criminalize addiction at all. We specifically spell it out in the bill that rehabilitation and substance use treatment is always going to be the first option.
I reached out to the new Massachusetts Attorney General, Andrea Campbell. A spokesperson from her office told 25 Investigates they are aware of the bill, adding any solution to the opioid crisis requires collaboration between healthcare experts, advocacy organizations, elected officials, law enforcement, the community, and people with lived experience. Do you think your bill has a shot in the state of Massachusetts?
I think it does have a shot. What do we do about this massive problem we have with fentanyl right now that's impacting every single community across the Commonwealth, and that people are dying every single day from it? Is it time that we actually start to strengthen the penalties to the people who are dealing this poison in our communities?
For 25 Investigates, I'm Carrie Kavanaugh.
State Senator O'Connor says 23 other states have taken steps to tie deadly overdoses to the dealers, including Rhode Island.